Hello everybody, my name is QCatRoll135, and today I'm recording a video. Yeah, my friend is here, so yeah. But anyways, so first I'm showing you how to get into 7's den and how to do stuff. Also, I created a new account because I'm restarting Animal Jam on a new account with free chat soon and stuff. So yeah, let's do this. Anyways, so first you go to Yohama, this person. Oh, hey, also Flufflepuff is recording. So yeah.
Hi guys. Go subscribe to Lulu330, aka.
Yeah, go sub to Lulu330.
And also
Go in that portal.
subscribe to
Go in that portal, then you're here.
So then you go to the portal, and then okay, you're in ours.
Also, so this is my new account.
So as you can see, there's tons of data here.
It is Clear Skies Jama. If you want me to say it again, it is Clear Skies Jama. Clear Skies Jama. Yeah.
Some other betas. There's these cool underwear. Yes, there are. Then
Jama. Or I cannot say it, but it's Clear Skies Jama. So what you do, you just, yeah, you can do stuff here. People are weird, like this person, 7-0, this person, go block them. No, I'm being sarcastic. Spam them with gifts. Be a kind-hearted person and spam them with gifts. Just a second, guys. BRB. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry, someone was, yeah, talking, and I didn't quite want interruptions, but they were small and cute and, because they were a baby. So, yeah. Remember, Clear Skies Jama. So, yeah, stuff. And also, I'm going to try and upload another video soon. Also, I don't know if you can hear my voice. I might re-record this. So, yeah. Also, I do not have an intro. So, I will try to get an intro. So, yeah. I'm going to try and record up to 5 minutes. So, 5 minutes a day. Yeah, 5 minutes every time I come. So, account inventory.
We only need one more subscriber to get to 20. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.
Alright, nothing much really. Nothing rare. So, yeah. The life. Yeah, so, anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you cats later. Bye.